everybody. So we're here in Olympia, Washington. Olympia is the state capital. And we're gonna go into a bookstore called Browsers. So come with me. All right, here we are. Here's Browsers Bookshop. This is an indie bookstore. It is adorably detailed with all kinds of decor and books. Okay, let's check it out. So much to see here. And they have an upstairs, a downstairs, gifts. Let's look at some of these on display. I've heard a lot about these here. Marriage at Sea, Strangers. So I watched this lady here, Belle, be interviewed about this. Very interesting. This bookstore is amazing. Absolutely love this. Okay, it's the first time I've been here. I drove by it and I came back. It's been a couple weeks that I first drove by it. Look at this. Cookbooks. Nothing but cookbooks. Wow. Okay, health and home. Ooh, yes please. Do you guys love pies? Pies are just so homey. Look at this. Wow. What is this? This is sage, cypress, saltwater, white thyme. So pretty. It's very light. What am I smelling? Just barely any scent to it. It's beautiful. They've got some art too. This one's called Brick Alley Bright Mural Olympia. Ooh, you just feel like you're there. So I just found out from one of the employees here that Browsers Bookstore has been here for has been in existence for 90 years. It was in a city down the freeway, and in this location it has been here for 45 years.